Me bet me life on it. No girl will come and dance tonight for no for time for movement.
This camera up from when the 23rd when my aunt and my grandmother did go back up home or whatever, and I feel so bad, but at the same time I don't, because like every day me I do something. I mean, unless you guys want to see like me and Babes, I do what I do her, I joke, you know what I mean? Like there's really like nothing, like me not go out every day upon the road or whatever, or stuff that's like worth vlogging or whatnot. But today I guess it's gonna be worth vlogging. I gotta take out me hair. Babes, I gotta string up one song, and then I guess that song that I go play later, and we're gonna step out and you know, listen to music and drink a beer and all that vibes or whatever. So yeah, that's what's on the agenda for today. And guys, I said nothing about my blows. I wear this probably about 3 times from it vlogs them, I think. But you know what, I might close. I mean, I really go nowhere. This I like little yard, you know, the little play clothes or whatsoever. So right now we're on our way to go get some breakfast, and we had drive and there's nobody in the back or whatever, and my uncle, he's driving in front of us or whatever, and he's a taxi driver, so him pick up some people for carry down or whatever, and Babes I say, yo, you want to fill up your back and try a tea.
You want to pick up 4?
You want to pick up 4 count on that back seat, or somebody go on the night front with me?
4 on that back.
4 on that back. But obviously we're not red plate or whatever, but man, I was asking him like if people really are gonna go in a car without red plate, because I suppose that somebody like want kidnap them or whatever, you get me? And you think people would really come in that car?
Yeah, me. Sorry, me come out too late.
Look how much time it said make we try, and you say you're not gonna do that because you don't want to get in trouble.
Taxi one man. Me and the taxi I collect for you.
B, when they can't get in that trouble?
Oh.
B, I thought you said you can't get in that trouble.
Yeah, but the police stop me, my family, me can't go work.
And then suppose I say, I would name, so what then do? Then I got say?
B, just give them one name.
Alright.
Call on the Yvette. Pauline.
So I have to use my family then name. You know, use my family then name. But I don't know, we'll see. I always like the whole taxi business and, you know, collecting the money, and yeah, I hear people that call out rude, like people that say Bagwak, Linsted, Prospect, Riversdale, Bubet, like, you know, yeah. Spanish Town, 1 already, 2 already, come. me love it, a heightness with it or whatever. So we are gonna try B? So when we reach Young Analysis and we are go down a Bagwak, you think somebody are go?
We are try.
We are gonna try? Alright, even 2.
But how much fee?
But B, we are no, let's do it free. Free
on me.
Let me
so
free.
Why fun tonight? You know what, collect your money and put it on a finger.
I true, we want to do that. Hey, B, why not we just do it free for the kindness and do our good deed?
Well, you know,
make somebody save.
Alright,
so every route we do, we are gonna charge $100 then, though? It's easier. Then can't just give we our bills, right?
Yeah.
Alright. But me not change. I bear big bills me up, so hopefully they have their $100. You have change me?
No.
I bear big bills, we say. Oh, alright guys, so if we collect somebody, I'll make you guys know, but I'm not gonna take out the camera because obviously, you know, some people not gonna want them plan, you know what I mean? So guys, we find somebody on the road and Babes honking on and pulling out so like this. We show them. So a lady kinda hesitant because her window didn't tint, so we rolled down the window and Babes said back walk, and she was like kind of hesitant to come in that car. I mean, I would be too, because like, you know, on a red plate, you know, it's on a taxi driver or whatever. But anyway, she come in, we drop her off, and then she give away a fare, $1 bill, and Babes wrap her on it and look me. I bear laugh, be a laugh. How you feel, B? Running.
First.
You think when we go up, we can try like a full, like when we go home? Or no?
Try a full what?
Like for the car if we go home. No?
Try a full load go?
Yeah.
No, I'm not fully car people. 3 on our back.
That's what I mean, B. No, you don't try or no?
Yeah.
Alright guys, so this is my breakfast. Yam and banana with stewed chicken and my orange box drinks. To pull out my hair now, and B is cutting the braid so it's easier to pull out. He don't trust me with the scissors because when I had my locks in, I cut it and I think I had cut some of my hair. B, that's too damn short. Sir.
No.
What mine are doing? Alright guys, so from day we've been like dealing with the sound. Babes was like fixing something on it, like stringing up, I don't know, something. I don't understand this whole sound business stuff or whatever. And I guess we at the location where the song is gonna play, but I guess that they might have some like current problem or whatever. And Babes being like an electrician, I know about wire and stuff, he's trying to figure that out. But I guess I don't know, seemed up there. I tried to do something else. I don't know. It current, good. So yeah, I don't know. So yeah, I'm just here. I came in the car and sat down because outside it rained like crazy. So it's like the place muddy. At that time the mosquito and sun sitting there come out and like there's like crawling all over me and my skin started scratching me. I can't take it no more, so I'm coming out car, get some little AC or whatever. And guys, I want to use the bathroom but it's just like a whole lot of open space. You get me, like a whole lot of open space. Some people that I drop down them pants and piss long time, but I know something nice and can't do it. I just don't want nobody see me or whatever. And plus, the place muddy and stuff, and I'm not so good when it comes to like pee, bend down and piss, cause it get everywhere. Alright guys, so like I said, I've been on the road like all day or whatever, and I just had breakfast. I know the song is playing at a little party or whatever. Everywhere closed, so I was like, all right, support the dance or whatever. I'm buying one box food or whatever. First of all, the box food was $1,000, which is like outrageous to me or whatever. And guys, I don't have a problem with spending money on food because nothing too good for my belly or whatever. But guys, if food disgusting, it rice plaka, and I know taste. It curry go fresh, like. Guys, I'm a Bex. I make it cross when I'm hungry. Like, swear. The food box I'm missing. Open it. You guys see food there. Nasty. Alright guys, so I'm gonna reach back in the house and we get ready to go to the little, I don't know, dance party, whatever, that my uncle's son is playing at. And this is what I have, my little Tommy yellow sweater, and Babes has on something similar. So yes, sweater, wash niceness. But you have to look in a lens, not there. You're looking at a lens. But guys, so like I don't know, I'm gonna like Jamaica when it like comes to my hair because my always in a problem. I can't wear it nice and silky straight because the humidity is gonna make it poofy, and then like which time I live when I have we have to use water in a tank and it not come down as heavy versus like when they are firm, it can beat the hair and it get nice and wet and saturated or whatever. But this is what I'm working with. I know I'm not really feeling it, but I saw it go. I just did my eyebrows because I was not about to waste makeup and I go in darkness with grass there and bush and stuff. And now we just a face, and then when we come in we get hot and damaged and it's a hell to take it off. And then next thing, it's gonna take me a while to do my face, and like we want to go now before police lock off and stuff.
When they play that song, every girl turn back way now. When they go to the give me a proper back and stand over, baby. Fucking sexy ladies, man.
I'm feel nice. I wonder what time it'll go over. Me follow my cousin outside for the pee-pee. No, me not to the camera from you. And she have work on man. She have to be out by 7 and at 2 o'clock. But she said she no business. I one life we have, you know. One life.
And COVID that take people hard. Me no fix my COVID. COVID that take people hard. I'm off to enjoy myself. It's
Exactly.
Like, I don't go nowhere, guys. Exactly. Nowhere. I drink 1 cup of liquor and I feel fast. And I work 7 o'clock and I feel computer, so I don't know. And I have no money, I don't know what cause.
My cousin nice and clean though. Hey, yes. Watch good day. Party did nice at 3 o'clock in the morning, no?
Yo, Mr. Felicia to blood clot. Felicia, which part on your fat so me nah see?
B.
What fat?
Every time Felicia come in, I carry creep B.
Our front.
Is that scratch?
No B, if in front you so fat me that seat.
So y'all look down there? So y'all look down there?
Then me nah look.
Where y'all look for? Nah man, me feel scared now.
Be nobody front no fat on for you.
Nobody front is supposed to fatter than for your woman. Nobody front is fatter than mine to Jay. Is that right, Jay?
I chat.
No, me asking me.
Me bet me life panny. No girl will come and dance tonight front no fat on for me woman.
Me know so Kayla up front, Kayla have pussy. Yeah, Kayla have front, Kayla have pussy.
Kayla pussy fat though.
Kayla pussy have pork, back leg. I ham that ass.
But the girl
I'm gonna kill it talking down there. I'm gonna shake you with the
B say I'm gonna run left me tonight.
Me
Jesus
enjoy
Christ.
myself.
I want them me fast on me. B?
What?
We not about to fuck tonight. Make me cool.
If you don't fuck tonight, you can't wake up, man. Me not ask Christ, you're dead in your sleep. Shake any you get the pussy, the 25 pound of pussy there tonight. You now wake up, you're dead in your sleep. Me not ask Christ.
And of them are mad with me.
How much did you drink?
I'll kiss your feeling. And pass the road.
The past year, you're just reaching now.
B.
Yeah?
B.
Eh.
No, but I put me up on YouTube. I said,
No, I
Where
have
you
to.
go?
I have to.
No, baby.
Yes,
No.
darling.
No.
Good morning, guys. So, oh, I just scratched myself. Today's what be the 26th, 25th. Oh well.
28.
Oh right. Okay, so today's Monday, 28th. This is like my last like full week in Jamaica. Ooh. So you know I have to make use of it or whatever. So it's bright and early. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning. And you know, me and babes are gonna go do road. I have to go to Kingston to go do something for my grandmother because you know she went up already. So I mean left pan to go deal with. So we're gonna do that. But right now we're going to go pick up Sam, little Sam, his son, my stepson. He's at his grandmother's. So we're going to pick him up, and like we had to be there super early because you know she has to leave out and go to work or whatever. So I had to get up. I woke up at what, 6 o'clock. I cleaned the bathroom, bed, I got ready and everything, and babe was rushing me or whatever. He didn't realize that makeup take like a lot of time, and it does. Makeup takes like a good amount, and I still didn't get to achieve what I wanted to achieve because I wanted to put like some pink in here. I have to put on my mascara right now in the car when I'm finishing my lips and stuff. I couldn't do a wing, but I mean like I'm gonna show you guys after the thing and you guys tell me like how it looks or whatever. But B said he likes how I look or whatever. B, you want to tell the people them good morning?
Good morning.
You have nothing you want to say?
No.
You're not gonna cuss and tell them, oh, Miss Time so long and ray. Yo, it cussed me this morning, you know, in dash on my phone. I'm sitting. I never saw that side of him before. It really cussed me.
I know that's me throw your phone.
Alright, talk how you go then.
Because me I wait for you from 7 o'clock. And 8 o'clock you still don't put on your clothes.
So dash when my phone come in. How you say?
I know that me move your phone. Because you watch something on the phone and do like I close at the time.
You mean makeup?
Yeah.
Guys, I truly never did. I first good pretty woman in there would do up all this stuff or whatever. So I'm not used to like know say yo if me want like look bomb, me I feel like you know it take time. You know what I mean? Like it take time. Imagine if I was like going all out or whatever, would that take me like a good 2 hours just to do my face? Or like or an add or an half. But yes, like I said, he's not used to like this good lookingness or whatever. So guys, right now we're on our way to his mom's. So I'm gonna put on my mascara and my lips and stuff, and then I'll get back and talk to you guys on my way to Kingston. All right, good afternoon, guys. So today I'm going to the beach. Me, my boyfriend, my cousin, and her boyfriend. You know, we're gonna go to Ochi or whatever, and you know, go take a swim. I think this is gonna be my last time in some water before I go back up. So I woke up early this morning and you know I'm gonna cook some food for Cargill because by road is expensive and you know money I go down. So I may wake up and cook some rice and peas and stewed chicken. So I'm gonna just share that out. So rice and peas, and then it's stewed chicken there right there. So yeah, and now I'm gonna pack it bag now for I'm gonna bring plastic plate, fork, cup, and then really freeze my Tropicana from like 2 nights ago, so I ate what I carry to go drink. It's still frozen, but obviously it's like a milk in a carry trunk, you know it's hot or whatever. I'm a bag and stuff. My hair is looking a mess, but you know as I go get wet up anyways. I know me and babes are about to go leave out to go pick up my cousin and my boyfriend. So the beach that I wanted to go to in Ochi is closed. They say it closed from COVID. So now we're on our way to go to Flavors Beach now. So our next 30 minutes drive that now. Guys, I was stopping on beach just to look at it to see if it's good or not. And be well wine yam. You're dead hungry? And you eat rice and blue beef this morning? What you covering me up for? Guys, me I gonna share some little food for you. Why you cover me up? Guys, he's covering me up. So the guys done eat the food already, and it's an appetizer. And they claim say them have to go buy food for me and Felisa or whatever. Cause I guess me never showed enough food for care. But we're on our way. The flavor is beach now. Alright, I guess we're going to drink before we go in the water. Man, them I drink Campari. Fellas, say I drink Campari?
No, it's vodka.
I buy Smirnoff vodka. I don't like Campari. Become a nice clean cousin. Oh. So guys, we reached Flavors Beach. They here, man, them I drink. Them I drink Campari. Campari and boom. I go drink some Smirnoff. Guys, I'm going to drink some Smirnoff. Just a little tip, you know. First time. Are you going to drink that water? First time. You gotta talk louder, they can't stop it. Alright. Guys, she said she gotta do it tonight water for the first time in her life. 26-year-old,
going on 27.
Going on 27. Then I'm gonna do it tonight water. So you know she have to be under her liquor, you know, to do it. So yeah.
What?
Wait, talk. What you said, B? What you said, B?
You man saying sex are in the water already, so like she had tell.
I'm doing it.
Oh, this looks so dark.
Yeah? Felisa didn't do it in the water already.
Who's that? Who's that?
I train her breathe, making them. I don't take me breathe, I remember saying put in the water already.
Oh. Go there, Felisa. Go there, Fel. Alright guys, the Flavors here. It's nice. We just come out of the water. The water so nice, cool, clean, and enough sun no ketchup in me or whatever. No sun. Well, I spoke too soon, but I know we'll eat though. But yes, it was nice. Oh, you just up in 9 months, bro? You want one picture? Alright. Guys, catch Betty and her man. And look for my mad cousin. I claim that she had dry out her ear. But Jesus. Man, I walk in green card. Hey. Hey, go there, fam. Guys, B get miserable. I want to go. I'm not ready to leave the water yet.
And the water's nice.
It's nice.
And I did something I didn't.
Why you tell life from about me getting miserable?
B, you want to go now,
And the food, the thing, and nice.
Oh, I choose. Yo.
Nice rice and peas and brown stew chicken and madam. I don't think want to go eat him start. Eat him stop the charge.
Hello. But me and Felisa I get with food first. And when left, I go share.
No, we are short food first. We eat already. That's not nice. And me hungry now.
How come going on the road? Let's go ahead.
One crab? Green there.
We should have seen you, sir.
No, I want to see it.
Maybe still can't come out.
Yeah.
Oh.
So what next one, okay?
What? You sure there's a crab in there?
Yeah, crab water.
A crab in there? Be afraid of crab?
Then why? I was a white crab.
Alright guys, we are eating now. See my food here?
No.
Rice. Oh. Rice and brown stew chicken. We are consume.
Right.
Alright. And we have some festival we are eat. More festival. So we are gonna finish consume and then go. Alright guys, so we just done bathe and everything. We come up on my cousin yard, right? And she live at Prospect, right? I'm say, guys, I best bathe me ever get from a come to Jamaica this trip. The water beat hard. She washed me here out her door, and the water just nice and cold, and I just have beat hard. Like me feel like me they are firing with the water pressure. I swear, water always there at Prospect, and I feel so good. So we just bathe, put on clothes, and then we are gonna Portmore. I guess we just like go look around our back road, I guess. I don't know why. Just something to do already if I look on the girl then. And yeah,
I'm just
reaching.
B, where are you?
Guys, so we reached back road and no girl in a no sight. I don't know if I true a COVID or they done fuck out already or I don't know what to say. So we're gonna keep driving until we see somebody. No man. And it's even 8 o'clock yet. And nobody now out on the road. I do want to see some action, you know?